Hello everybody, my name is Blue Boy and this is a crap intro, so just roll with it, guys. It's a crap intro anyway, just roll with it. Anyway, I downloaded this game. It's called Shadow Fighter 2. Not sponsored, not fucking sponsored. But anyway, I decided to play it because ninjas and shit in it and all that. Oh. Okay, well that just flung me right fucking into it. Jesus. Oh, I like his muscle. What am I doing? What the fuck? Looks like when a 3-year-old's about to fight somebody. Oh, okay, so I can do that. Oh, fucking. Oh, okay. I'm really fucking confused. That's not the way I meant to do it. Faggot. Faggot kick. Faggot kick. Dumbass kick. Oh, nutsack. Oh. Right in the ass. Oh, fisted him right in the bum. Oh yeah, let's do some Quan Chi. Get fisted, bitch. Yeah, it's more like it. Yeah. Fuck. Holy shit. Fucking button and shit. It was harder than usual. Faggot. Oh my god. Karate. No. Pickle combo. Oh. Wow. This is can't pitch slap. Oh yeah, this is weird shit. I look like a granny. I just meant it's not my character looks like a woman. Ooh. I knew you could do it. I know you feel it. Find as a weapon. I went into. Ew, if I go there, I can move that back in the corner. If I go there, and if I go in the weapon place, and take swords and shit. Ooh, this is kinky. Holy shit, that sounds cool. Can I get like 3 diamonds? Fuck off, old wrinkly bitch. Lynx. Oh, I'm gonna have to fight Lynx aftershave. Holy shit, looks like Lynx aftershave. Looks cool. Tough fuck. Oh god, I have to build up to Lynx aftershave. Oh, for fuck's sake. There we go. Corn. Get this. Fucking ready. Oh, combo breaker. Oh fuck. That's one of my swords. He kicked out my sword, that faggot. Ah. Sick fuck. The fuck is happening? Oh, man. Get the drone. He's doing microwave. He's doing some fucking shit. Oh, get microwave, faggot. Oh, this is a pickup line. Abs of steel. Sit down. Yeah, bitch. Woo! Yeah. Oh, for a fact of amazement. Oh. You wanna go? I'm the sword this time, motherfucker. Pin that. Oh, that was faggot. Faggot. I'm trying to do some shit now. Oh. That bitch be dead. No, he's not dead. Oh. What the fuck is his leg doing? His back. Oh my god, and that's an achievement! And I got 104 yen. Bishop's yen anyway. Impossible. Ha, impossible, my ass. Act 1, Hero Reborn. In case you're too dumb as fuck and can't read.
Hi, my name is Blaze. I'm a local weapons and armor expert. Sebastian, these climbs. Can I work with you?
Good decision. I find you again will always be in perfect condition, and I will help you with any other problems. And as a first advice, you can earn money in tournaments. With each stage, your opponent will get stronger and your presence bigger. Yeah. Fucking bitches. Oh, you be ugly. That's just... Okay, do I have to be gone already? Can I beat up? Oh, he's still there. No, cover it up. Cover it up. There we go. Oh, fuck. Faggot. Bitch, I have swords. You have gay little fists. Yeah, right. Oh, fuck. I don't know what's going on. Get knifed. I used to cut my bread with these knives, bitch. Oh, I'm very elegant with the cutting of the bread. What are you doing? You're in yoga pants. We just stop for a minute and look at his fucking yoga pants. Continue. Ow. Faggot. Faggot. Oh, get wrecked. Get thrashed. Oh boy. This corner.
Oh, you are awesome. And of course in the tournament you can buy a new key and defeat Link. What are yours?
Not bad, you have reached new level 2. Your skills have increased. Okay. Oh, I would like that. Good. Slide tackle. Down. Kick. Okay, I'll remember that. Never. Head to the dojo and for a new move. Fuck wrong. Oh, I think that's pretty fucking... Look at your moves in the flip-up. Fuck the flip-up. There. It's fooling for me in a good way. Oh. Menu. Tournaments and payment. Can I fuck up some links, people? I wanna try and fuck them up. I wanna fight him right now. It's called Prick. They say he's called Brick, but really he's a prick. And them fucking muscles, like. Oh, I want a sword. Yeah, you ready? Get your brick pushed in. Yippee. Fucking hell. Gay as his grandmother. Look at him! Faggot. And it did no damage to him whatsoever. See a bit. Oh god. Okay, he does a lot of damage. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh god. Oh, fuck. Well, he's gonna win this. Try, you know. Great. Oh, I did. Oh my god. Bitch. Wow, Okay, let's never do that again. Jesus fucking Christ. Anyway.
I hope you enjoyed the video, because I'm done.
I'm done right now. Like, seriously, this is it. Like, okay. So, I hope you have a good day, faggots. Remember to like and subscribe to the video. I need to read this before you guys can go.
I'm afraid you can't beat Prick without better equipment. Attend the tournament and collect coins with better weapons and armor. You can do it, faggot.
Okay, she's had